Hey guys, it is Friday, October the 23rd, 2020, and today kicks off this weekend's revived Interstate Mullet Toss and Gulf Coast Greatest Beach Party here at the Flora Bama. The Mullet Toss here at the Flora Bama will be from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m., the actual Mullet Toss, with kids from 10 until noon. Awards for the kids will be at 2 o'clock, and adults will throw from 12 until 4, with awards given daily at 4:30. But this is Friday, October the 23rd. Tomorrow, Saturday, there will be the Flora Bama Mullet Toss Bikini Contest at 3 o'clock. Give you a little bit of footage around today to show you what's going on at the Mullet Toss, Alabama-Florida state line. This is the Old River Grill here at the Flora Bama, located across the street from the Flora Bama bar. Also located across the street from the Flora Bama bar is the Flora Bama Yacht Club. Flora Bama Yacht Club. And the back side of the Old River Grill, or front side if you prefer, if you'd rather look out over the water here. Both, of course, located across the street from the Flora Bama bar. The Interstate Mullet Toss has no cover charge. There is a cover charge after 6 p.m. For 18 to 20-year-olds, it's $15. And for 21 and up, it's $5. The Flora Bama has installed this new crosswalk here at the red light, so they try to keep people from just wandering across the street like they have in the past. So the traffic light will actually stop the traffic and give you an opportunity to cross over. But we are here today at the Flora Bama, here on the Florida-Alabama state line. Final preparations going in for this weekend's Interstate Mullet Toss and the Gulf Coast Greatest Beach Party here at the Flora Bama. It is $15 if you choose to toss a mullet, and you get a t-shirt.
There's our first toss of the day. Gotta
go get your fish.
Gotta go get it, baby. Bring it back, put it in the bucket.
Whatever makes you feel good.
There it is. Toss, go get that fish. Woo! Gotta go get it.
Come on, sign up. 35th annual Mullet Toss.
Go get that fish.
I thought you were going to fold it. I don't want to hurt it.
Come on, George. Nice. Go get it.
Go get that fish. Look at that. Barry from Knoxville, Tennessee. You're up.
is longest toss of the day.
All right, Barry.
Oh, he's giving it.
Go get that fish.
70 and 6.
All right, Suzanne. Good toss, go get it. Gotta go get that fish.
Get your fish.
And Barry, you go off your hand, brother. Go get that fish, David.
Toss.
All right, Greg. Greenville, Virginia.
Good toss. Go get that fish.
99 feet.
99 feet. That's the longest one today.
12.
Good toss, go get that fish.
All right. These are the. See the check down the bottom? Okay.
Good toss, Brody, go get that fish. Whenever I start to see Bill White. Good. Just throw that way. Go get that fish. Go get it, but don't touch it till they
It
measure
won't
it.
hurt you. It's a dead fish.
He's ready to go back at it. He got it. He got it.
He got hold of it.
Just grab it on both sides, baby. Hot pocket. Hot pocket. Grab it. You better enjoy yourself.
Harry, he's coming back. I'll vote for her.
That's a good brother.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. You gotta start inside the circle.
Come on, Paul. Get one of those guys out there. First thing, get the ambulance. Nice. Go get it.
Go get it.
That was a great call.
All right, Cameron, whenever you're ready. Good toss. Don't touch it till they measure it, though. Good toss. Go get that fish. Gotta start inside the circle and stop inside the circle. Go ahead and throw the fish.
Good toss. This is one for like.
The crowds will definitely be a lot thicker this weekend. This is Friday around lunchtime on opening day, so just want to give you a little preview so you knew what to expect. Hope you enjoy the videos. And that's just a quick little preview of this weekend's Interstate Mullet Toss and the greatest beach party on the Gulf Coast. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.